Are you dealing with AMB which won't shift gears after programming a used unit to it? We'll show you how to solve this on this video. Now we use the platform to connect the DSM computer and use Launch X431 to start programming. Click Mercedes. Click OK. Select Control Module Programming. Selected after 2009 according to model year. Confirm. Select DSM Intelligent Servo Module, then confirm. Select Control Unit Programming. Automatic Programming. Select Yes. Confirm. Now the programming has been completed. Now we'll load DSM and do IMO pairings. We are using our platform to show you like if it were on the car. Select Special Functions, Personalize, or Activate. OK. Well, now that the LMMO has been layered, we'll start the tests. Now let me show you gear shifting. D gear. R gear. Parking gear. Demonstration is complete. Follow us to learn more about how to solve problems in mechatronics.